Hello and welcome to another update video about Cardano. I just wanted to update you once more because we had a lot of support here at the 190 level. On some exchanges we actually got down to 188, 189. That came very close to the price target of 185 that I gave you in the previous video. And remember, I gave you that price target already when we were above 240, and that could already have been the completion of that corrective wave C based on the elite wave method. And we could now start our move to the upside potentially to 450. However, it's a bit too early to tell, so the indicators don't speak a clear language yet, so we need to observe and wait what the market is doing. But we had a lot of support down here and we came really close to that 185 target that we defined in this yellow box here. And here on the Binance exchange we actually got down to 189, 188, 189. So I'm really amazed how close we got to that 185 target, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And actually on here it says 186. So but I did say in the previous video, because prices are so dynamic, we will leave it at 185. So yeah, it's even a little bit closer. And if you're wondering, it says 0.382 here because I have reversed them on TradingView, but that's nothing important for now. So yeah, we need to see what the price is now doing. Obviously, we had a lot of support down here, and that is why we moved. We moved down quite quickly. And when we touched that level here, we really pushed up very fast. And then we went all the way up to, well, where did we get to? I think 205 or 206 again. And so that's actually quite important. And we actually nearly bounced off that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level as resistance now. So we'll go into the 1 hour chart. And by the way, Bitcoin did something similar. Bitcoin dropped all the way down to 39,500. And just in my previous video, I gave you the target of 38,500, which would be comparable to the 185 level for Cardano. So on both, we are still a little bit higher. So we could actually go down a little bit more in my opinion. But because we had such a strong buyer support down here, that might already have been the completion of that corrective wave C. And let me just open that. That could already have been the completion of that corrective wave C based on elite wave. And now we could move up, continue our move to the upside of wave 3, move to the completion of wave 3. And I think there are some people who asked in the comments if we could go through the count together, and I'll do that in another video, but we'll stick to the quick update now. So we just need to observe how the price is developing now. I think if we can now move all the way up to 218 and push through 218, that would be very helpful, and then we need to get through 230. But as long as we are below 218, I think we are sort of still in this downward movement. But the first good sign here is that actually on the, in my view here on the, no, we don't see a bullish divergence yet. We don't see a bullish divergence quite yet, because we see while the price was dropping, we can still see the RSI confirming that. But I think the RSI is slowly, it is slowing down. That downward move. We nearly made a bullish cross here on the 4 hour chart on the MACD, and on the hourly, how is it looking there? Again, no bullish cross yet on the RSI, but I think that downtrend might now be slowing down. Just need to wait probably a few more hours until we can say more, because it's very hard to say after such a downward move to say what is happening now, because the price hasn't made a new higher high yet. We are still down here, don't forget that. Yes, we dropped all the way down to 190. We had a lot of buyer support. We see an engulfing candle at the moment, but the candle hasn't closed yet. And we need to get above the 218 level to continue or to reverse this pattern. I did say in my previous video we had something like a double top here, quite a bearish pattern, and yeah, we broke to the downside. Good thing is we had that support. We actually came very close to the price target, and that is essentially what happened. So we want to get to above 218 to continue our wave to the upside actually, or to reverse that downtrend and go back up. That makes a new high then. However, at the moment there is still a risk that we drop down to the 190 or maybe even that exact 185 level once more. At the moment, I think it's still more likely to drop down to 185 once more, because we haven't exactly hit it yet. But as I said, no guarantee. And if you see us breaking above 218 and the candles close above that level and maybe have a successful retest, then I think for now we will go up to 230 again and maybe even go beyond 230 quite quickly. That's my current view. Very interesting that we had that move quite quickly after my last video. And let's observe that together. Exciting times. Summit coming, the Cardano Summit, and let's hope for the best. All right, so hopefully you liked that quick update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.